Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're in Livingston Parish, Louisiana in part 5 of our LA22 series. Livingston Parish is part of the Baton Rouge Metropolitan Statistical Area and had an estimated population of 140,789 as of 2019, a 10% increase since the 2010 census, and as of 2015 is Louisiana's fastest growing parish. The name is thought to derive from a U.S. Senator and Secretary of State under Andrew Jackson named Edward Livingston. However, contradicting arguments state that Livingston Parish was named after Robert Livingston, a well-known lawyer and negotiator of the Louisiana Purchase as a minister to France. The Livingston Parish Fair opens its doors in the second week of October at the Livingston Parish Fairgrounds. The fair's attractions feature a parade, rodeo, midway, livestock show, school and craft exhibits, beauty pageant, cheerleader competition, a spelling bee, Old Folks' Day, and other entertaining events. Today across the parish, the median home value is $96,000 and median monthly rent is $481. We crossed the Amite River on this swing bridge that was built in 1974, replacing a previous bridge on an older alignment of the highway just to the north of here. The original bridge, which dated back to 1936, was the one-lane wooden bridge pictured here. Here we enter the village of Killian, which had an estimated population of 1,322 as of 2019. In my research, Killian is described as a village, but is also described as unincorporated. The village has a police chief, but no school. And driving along LA22, there's nothing really identifiable as a retail area or Main Street type of area. There's very little information about this village online, so if you know anything about the area, please leave a comment below. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. Here, the road widens a bit, and you can see an older alignment of LA-22 on our right. On that old alignment, a swing truss bridge crossed the Tickfaw River from 1934 to 2000. In 2000, the high-rise bridge we're about to cross was built. We conclude our video here. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.